Vauxhall Mokka 2016 model. This one's an automatic, but this has got a knocking noise. On the steering. Now that I've got a torch there. Looks like that one. Is that you, Jay? Other than that, if we look there, fix that to me. There we go. Any torch. There's a Vauxhall Mokka for you. And a knocky steering joint.
Didn't catch on camera, but the top buoy that clamps to the steering motor, I found slightly loose. Gave it a quarter of a turn to tighten it up, and found it had sorted the movement and knocking. Hope this short video helped. If so, please give this video a like and any comments. Again, apologies for my microphone. Sponsored by Harlan's Autos Limited.